What's going on, guys? So I have about another 150 miles until I'm done with the braking, but I did add this carbon piece right here that's supposed to support the GoPro or the Insta 360. I used it first time this Saturday and I lost the camera. I had the GoPro attached right here and it just broke on the way to Malibu and I lost it. So I still don't have any footage from it because I could not find the camera. I hope to finish this braking soon because I have the headers, the titanium headers waiting and the brain tuning, and I really want to feel the bike when it's unlocked. So it's a bit cold over here. I want to try another cold start. It's about 50 degrees. Let's give it a try. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys posted.